We just gonna take over the world.
This be that cold and money world. Oh yeah.
Where are we at today, babe?
Still. This is the spot you wanted to go to?
Yes.
Mexican grill spot.
Tacos La Via.
Let me see how it
You know,
looks.
you know. I've been wanting this forever. I think this one's mine. Is this one mine or is this one yours? I don't even know, but this drink
What's up,
looks
YouTube? It's
hello.
and it's your boy Monie, and we back with another mukbang, man. And so far we ain't got no Q&A today, but we just wanna try this Mexican spot. She wanted to eat that. So next video, just follow us on Instagram, CMG Family. Follow us on all social media platforms because I'm blessed. I need something to drink. Got my little chopper. It always tastes so good, but which one yours? That one yours?
I think so.
Which one you get? What's that? See, look. It's something new to me, y'all. I never ate here before. When me and Callie with it, it's fine.
Yeah, that's nice.
That thing look good. You got some dip in it with this.
Salsa.
What's this?
Carrots with onion.
You put all this on it?
Yeah.
It's crazy. What you get to drink?
It's a Tora Micho Lada Mango something. Try it.
Dip. Try it.
Try it. Yeah, try it. Is it good?
Look spicy. Oh, yo, drink spicy, girl. What type of sauce is this? Make sure y'all like, man. Y'all want to do more Q&As with the mukbang, bro? Just follow us on Instagram, TikTok, everything down below.
Oh, yeah.
In the description.
Bring me one of these.
Y'all know I'm vegan, man. Y'all let us know good food spots for good.
Oh, that's hot.
Spicy. I actually like the spicy. I love my spicy.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I'm gonna try it. That's good.
This is absolutely divine.
About to dip. Taste test. Oh, I'm just a little bit. Let's get it, y'all. Let's see if I can finish it. I really not. Mom, the lemon is smack. That is showing how it looks. The lemon is smack.
My nose is already ready.
Spicy pepper.
Yes.
Oh,
Bite
you
it.
ate it already? Oh yeah, she ate it. That's crazy. Not bad. Oh yeah, that's spicy. This I'll put on the channel. Finish. That's good. got water though. We only out here. So good luck. Probably have to go in. You just ordered it. You good? Need something to drink? Get some, put some lemon on it. Put some lemon. Get some to drink then.
I give up.
What the? I thought it.
Oh my god, my eyes are watering.
Kind of cooled off for me. It's still hot for you.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Were you crazy? Oh my god.
Not that hot. You only put two?
I think you would like the red sauce. I don't like the red one, it's too hot. A lot of people love it though.
Red sauce? Good little snack. Good little lunch. Let's do it. Let's get it.
Yeah.
I'm done. Somebody just ordered something. Actually, I clicked the link. It's going to be up there at the top somewhere. Probably on the right side. But you can go to the description. The website is in the description below. Monie. I don't know if you want to keep that in our house. Traffic. Highly recommended Mexican drink. This Mexican spot I couldn't talk. It's quenching my thirst so much right now. It's all trash right here, right? Yeah. She got a to-go plate. I was going to about it to go.
You want to throw that away, babe?
After you get the chicken, I go.